Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford F-350, 2008 to 2012? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2008, 2009, and 2010 Ford F-350 manages electrical circuits for interior features such as power windows, radio, and climate controls. It contains many fuses, relays, and circuit breakers to protect components from overloads. This fuse box supports diagnostic access and may include spare fuse slots. It is labeled for easy identification and maintenance. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2011 to 2012 Ford F-350 controls key interior systems like the instrument panel, power seats, and audio components. It includes low-profile mini fuses and relays designed for compact arrangement and efficient circuit protection. Clear labeling ensures ease of troubleshooting and maintenance. Some versions also support programmable fuse functions through the vehicle's computer system. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2008 to 2010 Ford F-350 protects and controls circuits related to engine management, headlights, trailer tow, and ABS. It uses high current fuses and relays to support major power distribution functions. The layout is designed for easy access to critical components. It also helps isolate faults to prevent damage to key electrical systems. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2011 to 2012 Ford F-350 manages high-power circuits such as the PCM, fuel pump, cooling fan, and trailer tow system. It uses cartridge and mini fuses, along with relays for efficient circuit protection. The box is designed for optimized thermal performance and durability. It includes detailed labeling for straightforward diagnostics and service. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.